Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review on this Besto Blackhead Remover Kit. I really like this kit, guys. I have been having it for more than 4 years already, and it's honestly the best purchase that I have made. Now I'm going to go ahead and open up the toolkit so you can kind of see all the tools that it comes with. I'm going to go ahead and take them and show you one by one. But guys, I really love this kit. I use it only once a week because we don't want to overdo it, but I love them. They work so well on my face and they clean up very, very good. So I love using them all the time. Now, this is the first tool that it comes with. As you can see, both of the edges are oval sized. This one's a little bit flat, this one's a little bit more flatter than this one. This one's a little bit more thick, and this one's actually a little bit bent. So you can use it for extractions or just cleaning up nicely. So I really like this tool. Now moving on to the second one. This one has more of like circle edges. This one's more for isolation in case you want to like isolate a pimple and then extract it using another tool. But I like this one. This one's very good. Now moving on to the third one. This one also has oval edges. As you can see, these are more smaller than the other tool. This one's also flat, and then this one's a little bit more thicker. So you can also use them for extractions. Now, moving on to the fourth one. I really love this tool, guys. This one's one of my favorites. As you can see, it has a sharp edge on one of the edges, which I really like because it helps you pop the sit and then extract it using the other side. But I really like this tool. This one comes in handy a lot. Now, moving on to the last one, guys. This one is my absolute favorite. If I could only have one tool in this kit, it would definitely be this one. I love using the triangle side because it helps get around the edges of your nose better, and it also extracts very nicely. But overall, guys, all the tools are very good, and just make sure to use it only once a week, or you can use it twice a week. Just don't overdo it. But all the tools are great, guys, and I would definitely recommend them.